Hi beautiful, I wish you good health and happiness. How you doing today? So we're getting our facial mask done today. This will help you get rid of dark spots, okay? If you are battling with pimples on your face, this is gonna help you. So first off, I got my white rice washed thoroughly, please, very well washed. If you want to soak it before cooking, you can, but I boiled it very soft. Boiled it is completely soft. Then I incorporated it to my blender and added my milk. You can use any milk of your choice, okay? Sometimes if you want to add the powdered milk, you may just leave a little water in the rice so that it can blend properly. Then you add your powdered milk while mixing, not while blending. But if you are going to be using liquid milk, I will appreciate or advise that you use it while blending instead of using water to blend your rice. So here, I'm done blending my rice. I'm extracting just the milk, the liquid. I don't want any particle of rice in my face mask, okay? Even though what came out is not much. Here I'm adding my coconut oil. We know that coconut helps to moisturize. It's very good for our body. This is extra virgin coconut oil, and then this is my vegetable glycerin, also very good for moisture for the skin. Vegetable glycerin is good for the skin. And I am adding in my turmeric. We know the wonders of turmeric, the benefits to the body and to the skin. And my vitamin E. Vitamin E helps to nourish the skin, and also get rid of spots, black spots as well, blackheads. So you get it thoroughly mixed. Can you see this, guys? Someone say if she's the one doing this, she's going to finish licking it. But because of the turmeric, I don't think I'm going to lick this. So you get this all mixed. If you get a thick consistency, you can use milk to lighten it up, okay? This is how I like it. You can use milk to make it a little bit light. Don't use water, please. Then I got this incorporated into the cup I'm going to be using to store it. Just use it 2-3 times in a week to mask your face, and it's going to really help you to get rid of dark spots. I think someone can also use this for their skin because the turmeric also brightens skin, as we all know. The good thing about this is that it can be used by all skin type. If you are fair, you can use this. If you are dark, you can use this. There's no cause for alarm, and you will appreciate your skin, okay? Sometimes we ladies, we battle with pigmentation during period, okay, and afterwards we are battling with what we can use to get rid of it. I store this in the refrigerator and it keeps it. God bless you. Like, subscribe, please share out if you don't mind, and stay glued. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.